Hello once again, J. Toolman 1949 again, aka Jose Rodriguez. In this video I'm going to show you a very cool little tool. It's really a modular tool sold by littlemachineshop.com. And in this configuration I have it set up as a drill press. It is called a nanometer lathe mill and drill press. As you can see, everything is micrometer fed. It's quite nice. You have a motor housing with a variable speed motor, headstock. In this configuration I have it attached to a drill chuck, and I have a little carbide drill bit here. You have an XY table for location. They actually do manufacture micro milling vices that are like miniature versions of these larger type of machine vices. They're known as screw vices. Now, in order to turn this back into a lathe, you would have to remove this base literally off of this board and attach it via this particular base right here. So then this, if you can visualize this sitting horizontally and without this drill chuck, it would actually have a beautiful little lathe chuck attached to it. This would be situated horizontally onto the board, and then this would slip right into this column here, and it acts almost like a jeweler's lathe. It's unsupported at the end, just like a jeweler's lathe usually is, and it's just awesome. It can actually perform quite a lot of little operations. It takes 1/8 inch square high-speed steel lathe bits. So now for milling, you would remove this, attach an arbor that would hold an end mill in place. I have another little chuck here, and there are some other accessories that you can purchase for this little beauty here. Now I don't know if you can see this. This is tiltable, so you can actually tilt the table. There is a protractor here that goes from 0 to 20 degrees either direction. Of course, I have it set vertically right now. Excuse me. As you can see, very smooth travel. Also, the base of this milling attachment can be rotated as well. And it does have gibs so that you can actually remove practically all of the backlash. This thing has almost zero backlash. It's a great little tool that if you're into miniatures like I am and micro machining type processes, this thing comes in really handy, and it's just nice. Let me go ahead and turn it on. It's quite loud, so you're definitely not gonna run this while the baby's asleep. As you can see, it's got a lot of power and a lot of volume. It goes up to 4,500 RPM at the spindle. So that's it. This is a nanometer lathe or mill, and you can still pick it up at littlemachineshop.com. So okay, until next time, I hope you enjoyed this little video. This is a cool little tool that I'm sure not too many of you have come across. Okay, so until the next time, bye-bye. Happy machining.